Hey guys, my name's Colin Bent. I'm a junior this year, and I'm a computer science major with a focus in cybersecurity. Being an RA is a lot of fun. You get to program things for your students and provide them with experiences that they might not always have on the day-to-day. You can do things like painting, you can provide them with snacks and stuff, a place to hang out and relax, and just unwind at the end of a long day. Every first year res hall has a laundry room located inside each building. You can use our app Laundry View to see which machines are available. I think my favorite college experience is definitely joining Greek Life. It's provided me a space to feel like myself and do whatever I like and without feeling judged. These people are like my family, they're my brothers, and I would do anything for them. It's definitely an experience that provides you with great things for your resume, like community service, and you go out and you serve this community, your local community, and also the greater community. We do things like philanthropies, so we raise money for various charities and stuff like that, and it's a really great experience, and that's definitely my favorite college experience. So Canvas is an app or website that you can visit to check all of your assignments. All of your professors will post everything, all of your grades, all of the assignments that are coming up, and on there you can see what you got for each one, and you'll get updates to your phone, and you'll be able to see all of your current and up-to-date grades and assignments.